everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have this Bye Bye Knots wig unit sent from UNiceHair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right into this hair unboxing, you guys. Unice usually has very nice packaging. Everything is pink and branded. So I received some press-on nails, a baby hair wrap, a few HD wig caps along with the wig, and also a satin robe. So it also came with this additional adjustable strap. And I'm just going to show you guys what the inside of the wig cap construction looks like, so that you guys can see that close up along with the closure, because I feel like the seamless knots are just what really makes this wig unit. And yeah, so I usually come on the camera with baby hairs and stuff like that, but today I didn't have to do that. So as for the specs of this wig, this is a Bye Bye Knots wig again. She's in 24 inches and in a natural body wave style. However, she does come pre-curled for you guys, and this is also 150% density with a 7x5 closure, and of course she comes pre-highlighted for you guys by the company. So that's a lot of stuff, but I feel like the main thing about this wig unit is how seamless and natural the knots are on this wig. And again, like I said, I usually do baby hairs with my wig units. However, because the knots and it just looks super natural, you guys, I didn't find the need to have to conceal the lace or anything. I felt like it looked really natural with what was pretty much given. So yeah, as for the density, you guys, I just want to note that this is a 150% density, and it is not of the fullest of wigs. You guys know 150% is pretty much like the base density of wig units, and I am pretty much, for the most part, I review really full wig units. So I just want to let you guys know that it's not a very full density wig at all. It is 150% density, and it definitely feels of 150%. So just to go ahead and note that. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and spruce up my wig unit. Of course, these wigs come pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-parted, pre-plucked, and all of those different types of things. All of the pre-styled and also pre-highlighted and everything, you guys. So even though it's all of those things, you do still have to add your sprinkle to it. You do have to spruce it up a little bit. I don't recommend you guys just pulling these things out of the pack and putting them on your head. They definitely would need some work. However, I do think it's a great foundation, especially for beginners and everything like that. So I'm just gonna go through and spruce my hair up, do my thing, tint the lace. All of the products that I used in this hair video is, of course, in my Amazon storefront, you guys. And yeah, so I'm just brushing out the curls that it came with. I just felt like it needed a little bit of more oomph. I was okay with it being a little bit more laxed. However, I just wanted to go back in and make the curls just a little bit more prominent, so I'm just taking this Baby Bliss straightener and straightening out the hair, and then I'm going to recurl it. So as I'm doing this, you guys, make sure you watch the full hair video so that you guys can also see the placement of the highlights as well. As you guys could see, it doesn't really have a very good blend at the top. I feel like they could have done better with how they blended the highlights into the dark hair, so it just kind of looks very blunt, basically. So just make sure you guys just see where the placement is on this wig unit. However, once it's curled and stuff like that, it looks fine. But if you were to straighten this hair, you would be able to definitely see the bluntness of the highlights. So yeah, other than that, that's pretty much all that I have to say about this wig unit. And I'll see you guys in my next hair video. Bye. bye.